Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can play GTA Online on PS4. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to access your browser of your PC, and then simply type in playstation.com on top and get into this PlayStation store. Right, once you're over here, you simply can sign in first, and then afterwards simply gotta go to this search icon that is on top right corner of the screen and type in GTA 4 and simply search it up. Search bar, simply type in GTA over here and simply search it up, and then you will get the search results for it. So let's say if you would like to play it on our PlayStation 4, so we simply have to purchase it. For that, we're simply gonna go to this particular game right over here. We're simply going to tap on this. Right now you can see Grand Theft Auto 4 So here in this section, if you scroll down to the bottom, you will find the description regarding it. But the thing that you have to make sure is, first of all, you're going to go back, and when you did the search, you simply have to make sure that GTA has this PS4 and PS5. If you go to this PS5 specified, then you will only be able to install it and play on PS5, but we need it for PlayStation 4. So we're going to tap on this PS4 involved one, and when you scroll down to the bottom, we simply will be able to see this add to cart option, which we're gonna go ahead, and you can see available on PS4 and PS5. All you have to do is now tap on this add to cart option just right over here. Once you have entered your information, simply purchase it. Once you have purchased it, you're gonna go to access your PlayStation 4, and there in the game section you will be able to apply and play GTA right there on PlayStation 4. So this is simply the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.